To set AOD to show always in the fully charged notification routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap get notified when fully charged routine, tap always on display. Under display mode section, select show always, and then tap done button to save the change. By doing this, now when get notified when fully charged routine is active, your phone will enable always on display and you show always as its display mode, which means always on display will always show the clock and notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.